Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2018 Dodge Challenger. This two-door, five-passenger coupe leads among competitors in its segment. Dodge made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated and ventilated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.